Good morning, guys. I have to tell you that I live on the state line of Oak Grove, Kentucky. And March 16th, we had a strong wind to come through here. I'm going to turn this around and we can assess the damage together. Strong wind came through here. Over here, the gate was blown down, but the neighbor put it up yesterday. This is my backyard, and I'm walking over here to my shed. My shed is demolished. I don't understand why the news did not, I'm not going to say that the news did not warn us, but that wind came through over my house, and me and my family, we took cover. We have some shingles missing from the house off the roof. And this tree over there, if you can see, is split. This is the 18th of March. Casters are still not calling it a tornado. My house shook. Not only did the house shake, it was hailing. I couldn't open my front door because the tornado took it. But all the residents know that has given an account on the news that it was a tornado. Upon my research and the damage in my neighborhood and in my community, it could have been a EF0. In some areas, it was an EF1 and an EF2. I'm not here to give a report because I'm not a weather lady. But my research on different classes of tornadoes, we experience a E0. I am led to believe when these news reports talking about severe wind, strong wind, heavy wind, if that wind like Chicago can push you down the street, your umbrella could flip up. You got to turn around and walk against the wind. Tornado. Don't be fooled. A tornado all the time do not have to be a destruction. Debris, houses leveled out, cars pushed down the street, homes, apartments, businesses being demolished. There's levels to tornadoes. I've been here in Tennessee for, I first moved down here in 2007. And I went to Houston and came back. So I've been down here for a nice little minute, and this is my first tornado, and I thank God, I thank goodness that it was not devastating. My suggestion from my experience, and I'm sure people have been in far worse disasters than myself, get a plan. Get you some batteries because we lost power. We lost internet connection. We have no understanding of what's going on. after our phones rang and said, take cover now. You had the PA out on the street, but about time the PA gave a warning, that tornado had passed. So get you a transistor radio, get you some batteries, get you some candles, get you some water, get you some food, get you some blankets. Keep your clothes on. No time for pajamas and slippers. Keep your clothes on. And keep your antennas up. I can't tell you the safest place to go in your home, because there is no safe place. But I am here to say, keep the necessities. Until next time, take care of yourself, love yourself, and be kind to yourself.